Hey guys, Sal from Momax Marble and Granite, and here at Momax we often get asked the question on how do you assemble your recycled granite fire pits. On today's video, we just want to give you a quick rundown of how to install it. Oftentimes, granite does get thrown away once we finish our product for kitchens or baths. The little leftover pieces often get thrown away in dumpsters. Here at Momax Marble, we try to reuse it as much as we can. So we create fire pits such as the one that was shown. We try to find different ways to reuse it. If it's something that you guys are very interested in for a next video topic, just let us know and we'd love to make another video for you guys.